Hello guys, welcome to a new video and let's start the video. This is the video on the topic speeches creating governments. You have listened to many leaders giving their speeches on TVs, podcasts or FM radios. But you have ever noticed why are they giving speeches? As you don't know what they are going to do, but they influence you with their works that they will do in future through these speeches. So with starting with that topic, as you heard Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India, why he is so much influential and other parties are like negligible in front of him, because he has the art of giving speeches, influencing people with his words. That is the main thing. And his speeches creates an environment that people had no choice to vote other than that person. It doesn't mean that he have worked more than the past government, but it is due to his words, as the way he speaks with the common people. And what if you talk about the other parties? They are nothing to give a vote. They do not have a voice to take a vote. They do not have a speaking ability. That is the thing. Works don't speak, the words speak. That is the matter. And people generally not judge the works, they judge the words. That is the topic. And also, the popularity of Donald Trump in America is decreasing due to the harsh words of Donald Trump, as he is giving some harsh speeches on popular topics which are debatable, but some people directly give their opinions on that topics. So that's the problem. Half people are on their side and others are on opposite side, so losing their popularity. That's the thing. And what matter they write in their speeches is the more important thing, that what would influence the people. So if you notice these speeches, you will see that the words used are very much influencing, such as "for you," "we are doing for you." That if you particularly talk about India, that is the slogan. They have a slogan, "अच्छे दिन आएंगे." That's the matter. They have particular slogans with them in their speeches, which are used multiple times in their speeches. So that is the reality, that they can influence that people with their words. If a person do not have a capability to speak in front of public, then there are negligible chances for him or her to create a government, as an influential person can only run a government. So the thing is that the art of speech is the what mostly creates the government, and probably the works maybe. If a person is not a good speaker, he even do not get a single eh, attention from the public. And on the other side, he gains some insult also. So this by this I wanna to say that this can be good, that you should have a speaking ability, but if other parties or the other sides lacks the speaking ability, then this can cause single party domination in the country also, as we have seen in many cases that other parties were not able to raise their voices against the ruling party. That's why the country lost in the hands of the some vulgars and some of the bad people. You can take examples from history. So by this I would like to end my video. So like, share, comment and put your reviews under the video. Thank you and have a nice day.